Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming which Google account stores the images and signing in. This ensures you access the right library. Once signed in, check that backup is enabled or that the device folders you need are visible in Google Photos so the files exist in the cloud. Make sure to use the same account across web and mobile. This avoids missing images. Now open Photos, Google.com or the Google Photos app, and navigate to the library or albums to locate the first image you want to retrieve. Once you've located images, use search terms, dates, places, or albums to narrow results. That's faster than scrolling. On desktop, click the checkmark or use Shift/Control to multi-select. On mobile, long press the first photo, then tap Others. After selection, choose Download from the menu to save originals or exported copies. If you need many files, open Google Takeout to export full-resolution archives. Make sure to pick the export size and format so the files meet your needs before the download starts. You finish by verifying the downloaded files are in your device's Downloads or Photos folder and by moving them where you want. If you need many images or original quality files, use Google Takeout to request a packaged export and wait for the archive email link. If something goes wrong, check that you're on the correct account, confirm Google storage isn't full, and ensure a stable network. If downloads fail repeatedly, sign out and sign back in, or retry from another browser or device.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.